Next job, putting this diff back in. And that shit is heavy, man. That's got to be cleaned out. Big time. Here comes Pops. I am not dressed for this. But we're going to give it a shot anyway so we can get unloaded. I'll probably slip over here in the morning and clean this housing out. Well, it's nice and cool before Dad gets here. Because we definitely got to clean that out. But we got to get it unloaded first. Oh, nice and pretty, ain't it? What they do? Put new bearings, ring, pinion, and all that in them? What's that sound? Damn, why is that thing so hot? Yeah, got that hot? What you gonna chain to? One hole? Don't want to bust it, do we? One hole will pick it up. Alright. We'll get on the equipment here. You're gonna have to back up a little bit. I can't quite reach that. Oh shit, my seat just locked. Come on back. Come on back. Come on back. Back. You're probably good right there. Oh. I don't want to sit there, my camera. Crashed. My phone fell over. You really gonna tie a knot in that chain? Exactly why I didn't go over there and mess with it. See these sandals? See them boots? Exactly why I'm not on that end. Tying knots and chains. Not with my toesies. Are we hooked? I'm about maxed out. You gotta do better than that. Hold on. And why you got so long? Not right in second way down. Hey, just pull out and under that motherfucker. Move the truck. I'm maxed. Just don't pull out. There we go. Let it down. You don't want nothing. Make sure we hurry up plenty of brake or carburetor cleaner. I'll put it in the van and I'll clean it like when it's like nice and sun ain't shining butt crack of dawn over here in the morning. And then whenever you come along, we'll sit it. I don't think your helper will be with you tomorrow. Oh yeah, it ain't gonna go nowhere sitting between her. Good spot for it. Oh yeah, it ain't going nowhere right there. I don't want to step on that cardboard. You got a gasket or we permatexing? Yeah, don't let it get wet. Just in case it does go with some freak ass. Hey, they protesting in Raleigh right now. I thought about going to get some new. I got one can at least of yeah, I can't believe they can do that for $1,700. I probably can't even buy the parts for. I don't know. A lot of it's housing. Well, we got everything set up to do it. So, not run that over, that'd suck. So, he's gonna go give me some fluids to clean it in the morning. Some solutions. Brake cleaner, carburetor cleaner. Whatever's on sale, because all you're doing is spraying to clean, so it don't really make a damn which one it is. Oh, but I will be here in the morning. Wow, it's nice and cool. 7 in the morning. Say my prayers. Come over here. Especially before these guys start coming in and out and gets noisy. Or somebody want me to help them do something over here. That usually happens a lot. Then you can't get what you initially needed to do done. That happens all the time. You know, sucks. And you start something and never fails. Somebody comes on and pulls you off of it. Gotta have it right now, right now, right now type people. I love those people. Anyway. Oh, there's a big hole. Good. But anyways, yeah, tomorrow's a new day. Get that rear diff in and get them boys rolling.